Showers and storms moving in out ahead of a big cold front that's going to bring all of us rain. Sadly, just in time for our Easter Sunday morning services. We'll go through the exact hour-by-hour timeline of when the rain all moves on out of here, coming up in just a few minutes. A pretty active night, and I want to show you exactly where those showers and storms are mainly right now in our northern communities this evening. We have seen a decent amount of lightning with some of these storms. All these storms so far have been below severe criteria, at least here in Georgia. A decent amount of lightning moving over eastern parts of Pickens County, stretching into areas like Ellijay, over into Gilmer County, all the way up into our mountain communities here. And then on the northwest side of town, also seeing some moderate rain. We did have an isolated severe thunderstorm warning for far northeastern Alabama. It looks like they've gone ahead and lifted that. Some light to moderate rain on the west side of town from Floyd County over down into Polk and Harrison County, and then some isolated showers moving into areas like Cumming, Alpharetta, and Roswell. More rain on the way, especially for your Easter Sunday morning. I'll take you through that coming up in just a few minutes. All right, hours of rain, Candace. These waves of rain moving in for tonight, and that will carry us into early Sunday morning as well. Let me take you through kind of a trip around the radar right now. Most of the rain on the north side of town, but we're going to fill this in as we go throughout the overnight into early Sunday morning. Right now, the strongest storm, and again, we're not seeing a lot of storms and not expecting any severe weather, but it's currently moving through areas like northern Dawson County, entering into Lumpkin County, southern parts of Fannin County. Ellijay saw some decent rainfall, moderate rainfall here, and then you go a little bit further to the south over into Forsyth County, some light to moderate rain. This is also spreading into areas like Rabun County and Habersham County as well. As you travel to the west side of the state, some scattered showers here. Notice here in the city, we're dry, but we're going to be seeing more of this rain moving off to the east as we go through the night tonight. That's all thanks to this big cold front here. So let me take you through this hour-by-hour forecast for you as we run the clocks into tomorrow morning. Widespread rain, especially on the west side of town. This is 7 a.m. I know there's a lot of churches holding sunrise services. There's also that sunrise service, 2 services at Stone Mountain. Yes, plan for rain if your church is still having these services. We're going to have the rain around for your morning hours. We go through about midday. Most models have this rain starting to enter into our eastern counties midday. I think that this model is lagging behind a little bit. I think by lunchtime, a lot of this is beginning to dry out, and definitely for your afternoon plans, maybe you're doing a later Easter lunch. It looks to be much drier for us as this cold front finally clears the area, and we're actually going to be cooling off pretty significantly behind it. So throughout the morning hours, and we'll keep a few showers around through midday, dry by the afternoon, temperatures in the upper 60s. How much rain we're tracking with this? Well, some locations could see anywhere between a half inch up to an inch. Definitely beneficial, but the latest drought monitor here has nearly 90% of the state under a severe drought. Now, this is the worst drought that we have seen since 2012. In order for us to really get rid of this, we need about 3 months of above average rainfall. It's just not looking likely for us. But in the meantime, your Friday forecast, the weekend always in view. Temperatures back near normal and back to spring-like.